Hey, Rant Man back here again. This morning we're going to talk a little bit more about some things just kind of make my hair fall out, make me old. I'm only 28, believe it or not. These bags under my eyes, they come from having to fuck around with shit that don't work. Well, here's another thing that I'd like to talk to you about. You know, I've got this computer here. I talked to you about it earlier. It's a Panasonic Toughbook computer. By the way, it's a really cool thing. You can beat the fuck out of it and nothing will happen to it. I've actually dropped this goddamn thing off the table in Starbucks. It goes crunch and it was on and the display was on and everything. I picked it up and it worked just fine. Imagine that. Those little guys over there in Japan or wherever this is coming from, they got it together in some of those things that they're doing over there. So anyway, by the way, oh, nice little handle on this thing. So you can actually carry your goddamn fucking computer around because it's a portable computer. What other computer has a damn handle on it other than this kind of computer? You buy a Dell computer? No, a Dell Precision M6500, which is what this is being recorded on right now. It doesn't have a goddamn handle, and by the way, it weighs about 500 pounds. It hurts your goddamn arm to carry the goddamn thing. Just wait till this motherfucker that I'm recording this on right now, this thing right here, slips out of my hands and falls on the floor at Starbucks. It's going to go into a million pieces. But the reason I got it, well, that's another story. Maybe it won't even be a rant. The jury's still out. But anyway, what I'd like to talk to you about is something that all of you have probably had problems with, and that is migrating crap from one computer to another computer, like this over here. Like, for example, you say, well, you know, I want to go ahead and I've got Outlook Express on this computer, but you know, I maybe kind of want to, I want to migrate this crap and start using Outlook on this computer, or maybe Eudora or Eudora OSE or something like that. That'll be a rant for some other time. And you figure, well, okay, well, that's pretty cool. So you go on your main computer and you figure, well, gosh, you know, I'll just go ahead and import this and import that, and you find that there's some kind of import feature up there on the Microsoft Outlook that you can import from Outlook Express. Very cool. The only problem is this is on another computer. So you figure, once again, I'm pretty smart. I really am, sometimes at least. You figure, I got Outlook Express on this computer, and I've also got Outlook on this computer. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to just go ahead and use this computer right here, and I'm going to import on this computer all of my stuff from Outlook Express into my Outlook. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use that PST file and I'm going to just trade it from this computer onto the other computer, whoops, right over here, and everything will be good to go. So you get on there and you do your file import stuff from Outlook Express into Outlook. Guess what? Microsoft Outlook imports your email accounts and your identities and stuff. And by the way, I've got 28 fucking different email accounts on all of my servers that I use for my software development. And I have to check those about 5 times a day to see if anybody wants to buy some shit, or see if anybody has a gripe, or see if anybody, you know, wants to send me a joke or something like that. I have to check all these different email boxes. Well, so like I said, Outlook imports everything. But guess what it doesn't fucking import? It doesn't import my goddamn fucking passwords off of one email account into my other email account. Now, god damn it, how many of you motherfuckers out there are like me? And what, you carry your email passwords around in your goddamn head as to what they are for your internet accounts? It's enough for me to try and remember, oh yeah, is that pop-server at satx.rr.com, or is it pop.server? Or in that SMTP, is that SQ do whatever? I mean, Jesus Christ, I type in SWF DWG and you know, that doesn't work either. Oh man, it just makes you want to go fucking crazy. So what you figure is, you know what, that Google thing, that's pretty cool. I'm going to check out Internet Explorer password cheater or something like that. So you check some stuff, and so then what happens is you finally go onto Google and you find something that says, well, you know, I got this neat little password recovery thing. I'll go ahead and, you know, download that or whatever. So what you do is you find this thing called Passware, Password Recovery Kit Basic. Okay. That's kind of what That's kind of what it looks like right there. Nice little interface and everything and stuff like that. And then up over here, you know, they let you have something that says recover file password, recover internet and network passwords. Now, of course, this is advertised as a Outlook Express. Nowhere on here do I see Outlook Express. Nowhere do I see email. But I finally realized recover internet and network passwords. And so what I do is I go up right here and I click that. I click that thing. I don't know if you can see it or not here. Let's see what kind of, maybe that's showing up. Hell, I don't know if it's showing up or not. I got this interrogation light over there, you know, that's kind of keeps the bags out from underneath my eyes. But anyway, we'll try it. So I click that. Oh, there it is. Microsoft Outlook Express accounts and identities. Right there. So you see, oh man, that's really cool. I'm going to click that. So you click that and the little light starts coming on or something like that. And so you figure, well, you know what? It's maybe doing something. And you see, look, it is. It's working and checking shit out and everything. And there's something here where it actually shows one little password right there, the beginning of a password. You figure, oh, okay, that looks like it's going to work out. It says right over here that, oh, it's found 34 passwords and it's checking them out. It's worked in 20 seconds or whatever. Really good. Okay, now the other screen comes up. Shows you what your account is and all this other kind of stuff. And what you find is down here, it tells you your server, it tells you your incoming server, your outgoing server, and the password. Well, guess what? The password says, no password is set. And you think, fuck, what the hell is that? And you go back down here and you scroll down to all your other 23 accounts or whatever, and to try and find the passwords, and all of them say no password set. It's like, what the fuck are you talking about, god damn it? You know what? I downloaded the demo of this thing, and it's only supposed to show maybe the first 2 characters or 3 characters or something like that. 2 or 3, I don't know. You know, and it didn't show that. It said something else like error or something. So I figured, well, you know, sometimes these things you download from the internet, they're pretty fucked up sometimes. So okay, fine, I'm not going to worry about that. So you go ahead and you pay your $29 or your $39 or whatever, you know, whatever it was that you paid for this thing. And that's what you're working here now. And what does it show you? What does it show you about your password? Trying to get my interrogation light over there, you know, kind of keep on the door. What does it show you? Basically, it doesn't show you fucking shit. Okay? Now, god damn it, here's my philosophy on things. Okay. It's worth it to me to pay $29. 1, sometimes the shit actually works. 2, god damn it, gives me some good shit to talk about how stupid these things are. Well, guess what? I went on to Google and I downloaded maybe, I don't know, a couple of these things. None of them work. Okay, so that's kind of part A of this rant. Make your shit work. Now, I do software too. I got a little crappy program, you know, called XGel that automates lab data collection or whatever. And yeah, it's got some bugs, but it's a development program anyway, and the people that use it realize that it ain't going to work quite right the first time out of the gate, because it's what we call a level 2 program. But hey, man, that's another story. Where was I? On these things that are supposed to work, god damn it, they're supposed to fucking work. Okay, now there's 3 things here. One is, I guess, you know, after that I figured, well, you know, I'm just going to go to Google and I'm going to see if I can get myself a password field reviewer. And what I'll do is I'll kind of cursor over those little asterisk looking motherfucking things over there, and it'll pop up and show me what those letters are behind that mask, so I can actually, you know, like, find out what my passwords are. Now, don't get me wrong. I know I can go back into my goddamn server on my web server, and I can reset all of my email passwords to some common name. But you know what? I shouldn't have to do that. I'm buying a program that says it advertises itself as being able to grab these passwords and stuff. Well, guess what? It doesn't work. Neither does a loop viewer work. course, I'm sitting there freaking out because I'm downloading some piece of software from Russia, and it's probably, sending all my information to some Russian porn site, and it's going to charge my credit card. I bet it harvests my fucking credit card information somewhere that's might be stored on my computer. But hey, that's another story. Okay, now here comes, I guess, part of the main rant about these email programs. It's like, look, God damn it, Microsoft, it ain't fucking rocket science, okay? You got bazillion and billions of dollars. It would be easy as hell for you to create your converter code so that it will actually import the goddamn motherfucking passwords. Keep an asterisk if you want to, but just import them. Don't make me have to goddamn it remember the fucking things. Jesus fucking Christ. Eudora has the same problem. And don't even get me started on, converting, going from Outlook 2000 to Outlook 2003 or Outlook 2007. It has the same problems. There's always some damn bug that something's not transferred where I have to remember my goddamn passwords. By the way, folks, if you want to remember your passwords, I'm going to tell you a really great product. I don't have any fucking rants about this product. It's called RoboForm. I don't remember who it's made by. Just Google RoboForm and get that damn thing. If you visit a bazillion websites every day like I do, checking this out and checking that out, that all have these passwords and accounts and these user profiles and stuff like that, get yourself RoboForm and save yourself the hassle of trying to remember all of these damn passwords. Now, if you want to be stupid like some of us and just use the same password for everything, well, you go be my guest and go right ahead, but even I don't recommend that. Those guys from Russia, they're a lot smarter than we give them credit for, and they can get that information pretty quick if you use the same thing for everything. But anyway, there's just got to be a better way. When I upgrade and I want to transfer my stuff from one computer to another computer, going from Outlook Express to Outlook or Outlook to Outlook Express or however it goes back and forth, or Eudora or whatever, I should be able to just do that seamlessly. I shouldn't have to go through all this hassle. Yes, I know there's LapLink and all that other kind of stuff, but guess what? I'm not going from Outlook to Outlook. I'm going from Outlook Express to Outlook 2003 and then to Outlook 2010. Just let me copy and paste some actual files directly from one computer to the other.